Hello guys, xanavi.net is here. So today we got Nissan GT-R 2011 year, the legendary car, the sport car produced by Nissan. This car was imported to Europe from the United States. So what do we have? Available three languages only. It's English, French and Spanish. Navi maps of the United States and Canada. Climate in Fahrenheit. The radio step is not full. It's made for the United States, so now all the frequencies are available. And also the car doesn't have the rear camera. So today we will convert this system to the European version. So the system will be the same as in European cars, with navi maps, full radio range, and so on. And we'll connect the rear camera. So let's see the final result. Well, the work is done. So what do we see now? Available navi maps of European countries, Poland for example, the radio range, the full radio range, also the reverse camera works. We also added the front view camera. Climate control showing properly. Buttons on the steering wheel work too, without any problems. So everything worked without any functionality losses. Also, if you own Nissan GT-R produced before 2010 year with old gen system without Bluetooth audio, USB input for playing audio and video files, without touchscreen, or if you have imported Japanese GT-R, we can convert it and do the upgrade too. So we can do the upgrade from the system before 2010 to the new gen system which was installing in GT-Rs from 2011 year. Well, so that's it, all the functions work, and we have GT-R with the infotainment system same as in European produced cars. Many thanks for watching. If you own GT-R or another Nissan Infiniti car and want to do the same work, feel free to contact us. We provide our services remotely with a warranty, A to Z support, and easy installation. Stay safe and bye bye.